like we have a girls chat group, right? And so I used to be like, you guys want to go to the water and double dutch? And they're like, oh, here she goes. But at the same time, this is what teamwork is all about. They said yes. They got my back. And so that's what made it real personable, that when Double Dutch Divas started, we're a team. So all for one, one for all. So that's why whenever I say like teamwork makes a dream work, it's for real in real life. So you guys can, Michelle, you can give them your experience.
Yeah, we were just, COVID was going on. Some of us, a lot of us, most of us were in the house, but it was towards the end. And just getting out, As you can see, this is what it does, smiles, remembering the things that you used to do when you were a kid, so being actively and engaging, and it's definitely a sisterhood that I'm so much enjoying.